What is that, Nate?
No, you don't have to open it.
You can just give it. Let's just put it in your bucket.
Put it in your bucket and
Put it in your bucket before other pirates come along.
Okay, now what do you
Right.
want here in your bucket? Here's a map. Looks like there's one more tree.
There's one more tree.
Nate's on it. Oh my gosh.
Again, huh?
You must be the only pirates because nobody else has found this treasure.
Oh,
Here you go.
what are those?
Treasure chest?
Treasure chests.
Oh my gosh. A treasure chest. Beautiful.
What is that? Oh, it's a little boat.
Is that adorable?
It's a little put-together boat. Put it back in there and close it up, and we'll put it all together when we get home.
Okay.
There are pirates on a treasure hunt.
Yeah, they're on a treasure hunt.
There's treasure out here. You didn't know, did you? You have to have the map to find the treasure, though.
Oh, I think that might.
Oh, that I think we found.
I think you found all the treasure.
You found all the treasure. Now we go inside and we open up the loot.
Thank you.
Can Nana take a picture of the two